Tired of constantly fearing for the safety of your precious crypto while navigating the wild west of DeFi? Well, fear no more, because today we're unlocking the ultimate security upgrade, connecting your Trezor hardware wallet to your MetaMask. This powerful combo blends cold storage protection with the ease of MetaMask, making your crypto life both safer and smoother. Let's dive in. First, open MetaMask in your browser. Click on your profile icon, usually a colorful circle, in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Connect Hardware Wallet. This is your gateway to linking your Trezor. You'll see a list of available hardware wallets. Choose Trezor. MetaMask will now attempt to communicate with your Trezor device. Now, make sure your Trezor is plugged into your computer using the USB cable and that the Trezor Suite application is running. Follow any on-screen prompts on your Trezor device to allow the connection. MetaMask will display a list of derived addresses from your Trezor. These are essentially different accounts managed by your Trezor's seed phrase. Choose the address you want to use with MetaMask and click Unlock. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Trezor to MetaMask. You'll now see your Trezor linked address displayed in MetaMask. When you initiate a transaction, MetaMask will prompt you to confirm it on your Trezor device. This is the crucial security step. Always carefully review the transaction details displayed on your Trezor screen. Verify the amount, recipient address, and gas fees before confirming. This ensures you're signing exactly what you intend to. By connecting your Trezor to MetaMask, you've added a vital layer of security to your crypto transactions. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing your private keys are safely stored offline while still benefiting from the convenience of MetaMask's interface.